Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this set and also how I packed this whole order, so just keep watching. The nails I used for this set is Natural Square Long by Apres, the Gel X nail tips. And here is how I put them on the stands. I put the putty first and then I push the nail tips on top. I file the tip of the nails with an 80/80 grit file. And instead of buffing the shine off the nail with a buffer, I do it with acetone and a lint-free wipe. They consider this the chemical way of taking the shine off the nail tips. And if you see me keep putting the nails down and adding more acetone, I do that because the acetone dries up, and since these are gel tips, it gets sticky real fast, so you have to keep adding acetone. But it's really quick and easy. For the base coat, I used 112 by Riya's Nail. I went ahead and put 2 coats of the polish on. I only filmed 1, but I did do 2 coats. The colors I used for this set are Playa Made and I Wonder Why by Colorland. And I went ahead and did my French tips on every nail. After finishing up the French tip design, I got ready to add the blooming gel. I used Mia's Secret and I got it off of Amazon, and I applied it to the thumb, the middle finger, and the ring finger. And I just used a dotting tool, dipped into the brown gel polish, and then dipped it onto the nail. I did wipe the sides and then go ahead and cured it for 30 seconds so that it wouldn't spread too wide. And then I went ahead and added on Swarovski crystal and some gold charms. After I put on all the crystals, I went ahead and applied top coat. And after I put the top coat, I had it in the UV lamp for about 3 minutes. After that, I filed the tips of all the nails. At this point, the set is finished, so I'm going to show you guys how I package it. I took the nails off the stands and took the blue putty off of every nail. It usually comes right off. I cut a piece of double-sided tape. I just kind of guess how long it needs to be, and then I put that on the box. Once I put the tape in the box, I put the nails in. Always try to have your nails looking nice, whether you're putting it in a box or on a piece of paper. You always want your presentation to be on point, because that's a big part of whether that customer is going to want to purchase from you again. Once the nail set is in the box, I grab everything to ship it off. So I grab a thank you card, and I had to make a nail prep kit. So I include a ring, a buffer, a file, a cuticle pusher, nail glue, nail tabs, an alcohol wipe, a sticker, a business card, instruction card, and I added a cuticle oil because I found an extra one I could ship her. And then I put everything into this clear, I think it's called cellophane bag, or not bag, but you guys see what I mean, it's right there. And then it's self-sealing, so I just pull off, you'll see the plastic, and then close it up and it's sealed. And then on Monday's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I ship off all my orders, how I print out the labels and purchase them. So, and it's the cheapest way possible. So yeah, look out for that video on Monday. That's what my nail prep kit looks like. And before I do ship off orders, I always try to take as many pictures as possible because I love my sets. One, and that's social media post and post for YouTube, of course. So here's the finished set. It's so pretty. Here's everything that's shipping off to her. I hope this video helped you guys. That is my process from beginning to end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel while you're watching this, while you're here, and I'll see you guys next time.